Hi, Maliwan, this is Norberto. Thank you for taking your time, and I did prepare a comparative market analysis for the property 10038 Hillside Bayou Drive. One of the benefits you will get in working with us is it will help you to determine the right price to offer based on a comparative market analysis. It contains not only the property itself, which is the property on 10038 Hillside Bayou, which is about 2,100 square feet. It was built 2009, and it's a 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. So the way that we work it is we look at the properties that recently sold in the area, in the same neighborhood, which is called Shadow Springs, and you see that last year in July they had a property similar, the same square footage, but only 3 bedrooms, and it sold for $282,000. Then in September, you had another property, which was 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,781 square feet, which is probably about almost 400 square feet lesser, and it sold for $256,000. Right now, there are 3 properties for sale. 10038 Hillside Bayou, which is the property that we looked, and that one is 2,078 square feet and is for sale for $260,000. 10021 Hillside Bayou, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, same year built, is only 120 square feet bigger, and they're asking $319,000. There's another property on Fallen Woods that is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, is 1 year newer. It's a little bit bigger, and they're asking $290,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this document to the email so you can view all the properties. Here is an expired listing on Fallen Woods for $300,000 that did not sell, but pretty much everything is for sale. There are not that many properties anyway, so that you're going to find very few comparables. But I think the price that they're asking right now, $260,000, that is a very good price for the property. Okay, so be on the look for this email on the attachment for you to review, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 281-804-9906.